Hello, welcome to another session in mathematics. In this session, we'll be looking at parallelogram and the special properties of parallelogram. But before that, let's take a review of a previous lesson. Welcome back. Let us start with the definition of parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral which has both pairs of opposite sides to be parallel. Okay, and rhombus, rectangle, and square are special examples of parallelogram. And there are special properties of parallelogram, which includes equal opposite sides. The opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. The opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel, and also the opposite angles are equal. Okay, we'll consider these properties of parallelogram when solving problems on parallelogram. So let's quickly take some examples. A parallelogram is a diagram of the form okay. Now here, a triangle is formed, and we have an angle which is angle 90. We'll call here our H, and let's call here A. Take care to be B, and we'll have this. Okay, now looking at this diagram, you agree with me that the conditions we talked about are satisfied. It said the opposite sides are parallel. Side A and side B are parallel. Side H here and this other side is also what? Parallel to each other. Okay. Secondly, they said that the opposite sides are equal. Okay, if this is 12 cm, here also is 12 cm. If A is 3 cm, B also is 3 cm. Likewise, the opposite angles are equal. Okay, so from this we can easily make a sketch. And then we'll have something like this, which gives us angle 90 here, and then we'll have here to be A, we'll have here to be the angle which is theta, we'll have here to be B. Okay, for the area of a parallelogram, the area is given as base times height, base times height. Okay, then the perimeter is given as 2A plus B. Okay, and also you agree with me that B times H is the same thing as AB sine theta. Looking at considering this line to be A and here is our B, we have here is our H and this is our B, so this times this would then give us AB sine theta. Okay, we have the first example on the screen. It said find the area and perimeter of the parallelogram. Find the area and perimeter of the parallelogram. Okay, let us start. This is our H and this is our base, and then we are told that the area of a parallelogram is given as base times height. Okay, we have our base, which is 10 cm, and then we have our height to be what, 6 cm. So the area will then be equal to 10 times 6, which will give us 60 cm. Then for the perimeter of parallelogram, it's given as what, 2 into a plus b, 2 into a plus b, and then we'll have 2 into, what's our a? Our a is 8 plus b, which is 10, and that will give us 2 times 8 plus 10 is what, is 18, which will give us 36 cm as our answer. Okay, example number 2. Okay, we have question number 2. We asked also to find the area and the perimeter of the diagram. Okay, and this, the area is given to be AB sine theta. Okay, AB sine theta. So what's our A? This is our A, this is our B. Therefore we have 12 times 15 times sine 1120, and this is equal to 12 times 15 times sine 180 minus 1120. Have this times sine 68 degree. We have 12 times 15 times sine 68 will give us 0.9272, and then we have our answer to be 166.896 cm squared. Then the perimeter is equal to 2 into a plus b. Is that correct? So have 2 into 12, which is our a, and plus 15, which is our b. That will give us 2 into 12 plus 15 will give us 27, and then 2 times 27 will give us what, 54 as our answer. Okay, 54 cm. So to refresh your memory on what we've done so far, kindly provide the answer to the following questions on the screen. Welcome back. So far we've been able to cover the meaning of parallelogram. We've talked about the properties of parallelogram. We've talked about the area and perimeter of a parallelogram. So we'll stop here for today. To where to use the lesson note on the platform for more information on the topic we've just discussed, and feel free to drop your question or comment on the comment section. Till we meet again in our next class. Stay safe and bye.